Carla, what are you doing? Fat Lord.
Oh! He's happy for me. He's happy for... Look, he's happy.
Oh my God. Oh, get in the house. Oh God, are you okay? Away from the car.
Odie May. Hey! Go get it. Oh.
So crazy.
He's got the zoomies. Oh my God.
Why are you doing this?
Hello, sir.
Oh my God, get back! First! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Excuse me? Excuse me? George! George!
I was ready. Aww. Hungry?
You sound like the galloping gourmet. Come on, let's go.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Look.
Okay, I need debit card number.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Oh my God, really poopy! Whoa.
What are you gonna do? They're in your face. What are you gonna do?
What happened? Oh my goodness!
Oh my god. I can't believe my eyes. Tilly!
Bring it in. Yeah.
Let's say she got her plate. She's ready. She's Thanksgiving ready.
I got fish! Oh! Move! That's not what I meant.
Oh, sorry, Jess. Jess, come here, darling.
Oh, goodness gracious. No. No, ma'am.
Have you looked in your window? Look in your window, Beth.
Matt.
This way! Rolling balls with big hooves. I know Victoria's
As you can see, there's an owl on the roof.
No! Get down here!
Hi, little kitty. Hello.
Come on, you gotta let go.
Hey, come here.
It's on video, right? It looks pretty well, doesn't it?
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy
I think it wants you to let go. You ready? Yeah. Marco, come on.
Get bubble! Hey, come Hey!
I thought you're cool. Who you about to kill yourself?
What did you do? What did you do?
See your eyes. Hey, go. You go, banana. Sit. You go, banana.
There we go. There we go.
Come out, buddy! Come out!
Don't hang on. There we go. That's right.
I am a genius.
Meow, 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 meow. What?
No. No.
Please explain to me what I'm supposed to do in this situation. I opened my back door and somebody's dog crawled in my front seat. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now.
More. I'll be a mother chicken drigger. What the? I did just not witness that.
What is it? Hey, you little fuck.
Look at them! They're crossing the street! Oh my gosh!
You're a horse. Okay, you're not a piranha. No. Like, turn around. Okay, I don't. Mango looks like she's not having a good time.
dog is really interested in what's on the screen, man.
Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
I've got the Dusquin for Bubs and the same for Moose. Does everybody have what they ordered? Okay.
Hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi. Hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi, my baby, hi.
So the owners told me that one dog is clingy and one dog is chill.
Can you tell him this is loitering?
Alright.
That worked. He doesn't want a ticket. Wow, that's so.
I'm trying to get her used to it. I can take you outside. I can take you outside.
What do you want me to do with you?
Figure you for the jealous.
No, let you be nice. That's Daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
I know.
Ayuda. Dame queso. Ahora empezó todo. A ver. Ayúdenme. O sea, ayúdame con tus hijos.
You coming in?
un beso a la abuela. Buenas noches. Buenas noches a la abuelita.
Sit.
Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness gracious. What? I wish I had a banana. I don't. What? Oh gosh! Oh golly!
Kisses for Daniel.
What do you think? Oh, are you excited?
Is that your brother?
Is that your brother? Easy. Oh, he's licking him. Good boy.
Oh my god, he's got it by the jaw now.
Oh, hi, baby. Hi, puppy. Hi, Fluffy. You scared the bejesus out of me.
Sorry. Oh! Scruffles, ow! Ow!
Go to sleep.
Why are you a mess? What did you get into? Shall we go find out? The pancake mix?
And the detergent fell off the washer, smashed on the ground, and now it is everywhere. Go. Just go outside. Go.
You accidentally leave your window open and an owl
There he is. Hey!
Who's that?
No!
Oh my god! Who's that?
Hey, it's the dogs. You didn't put the lock on the fridge. Oh, there. Stop. Get up. Everybody out. Everybody out. What are you eating? Spinach? How'd you? Oh my God, the mess. Wow.
Aww.
Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
And a purse. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi. Can you drop it? Can I have my shoe?
Are they gonna give him a donut? Are they gonna give him a donut? Oh my god. Do it. Throw him the donut. Ah, look at him waiting. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah! Cool! Woo! Here you go, buddy!
One, two, three, go!
Ooh, what is it? Okay, take the wrapping off of it for her.
Hi, yeah, I see you, sweetie pie. We'll be right out.
Zuzu. Oh, babe, I think she might get stuck in the tunnel. Jade, move.
Inhale, lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back of the mat as your left hand reaches toward the front of your mat. Beautiful. Keep your front knee stacked.
you. So, oh, I got you. Yeah. Put those in here.
Yeah, I'd be scared too.
Not really.
Good work. Ow! Ow!
How do you do that? How do you freaking do that?
The day in the water. Manny, show me what you got.
He's cleaning himself. The little baby is cleaning himself. And are you kidding me? Nothing?
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you? Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
Alright, you guys want to go in and you each get kisses. Ready? We get kisses. They put their chin. They all want their kisses.
You know we all wait.
Yep, you get your kiss.
You did such a good job. I'm not letting you in this house. Oh, wow. Can you put it down? Can you put it down?
I could go on the other side and leave those other push pins so we could just take them out with the felt. Hi, kitty. Oh, you're cute.
Oh my gosh, baby bobcat. Look at that little guy.
Excuse me? What is that?
That's a cat.
Why is there a cat in my car?
Hey, hey! Get out! Get out of the car! Mama, don't let him get in the car.
Well, you put a cat in the car.
Not another one.
Well, what are we doing with the white cat?
I love him.
Yeah, but what are we doing with him?
I'm putting him in the car.
I know. He's crying. No, he's crying.
That's not your mother. I think that one was just born. No?
Oh, she's underneath the goddamn sprayer. Here, come here. Get out of here. Come on. Oh, you're a cutie. Come on, let's go this way. Go find your mother. I'm not your mother.
How am I supposed to do this? This is so bad. I'm not sure yet though, but maybe we'll go for a walk, we'll go potty, we'll see grandma, and maybe we'll go get some tacos. We can go get a taco, maybe some. Nope, you were right there. You were right the first time. Nope, that way. No, no.
Leave it.
Come here, baby. It's okay. Oh, you are skinny. Oh, it's okay, baby. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go under there. Don't cry.
Bien limpio los pies. Okay.
Go away. Fine, go. Go. Go home. Go.
Dale una púa de clora and one for Ruby.
Let's see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want somebody?
Oh. Get it, Chris. Kill it.
God. Lou. Lou, what are you doing? We're having breakfast together. I made him one little scrambled egg. I'm glad you guys are enjoying my lunch. Oh, why are you running away, Freya? Dora. No, really? You seriously? This is not a lay-in box, girlfriend. What the hell?
Good morning, Chico. Hi, Rudy. Oh, good morning. Oh.
Paco! Hey there. Hey guys. How's it going? Yeah, you might be causing me some trouble, guys. You might have to get out. These are the softest little guys ever. There they go. Just gotta be careful with them. Come on. Open. Good boy.
Oh. Unbelievable.
Dude, what?
Holy
Okay, well, you get to quit pushing it.
Boy's lost. Let's take him home, Cap. Go.
I'm buying him for you.
Nice.
That's why she's here. Do you want him?
Yes. Oh no! Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Oh my God! No! Oh! Brett, honk the horn! Oh, he's gonna tear up their car! Brett, honk the horn! Oh my God! He's in.
They're kind of like big slimy puppy dogs.
No!
easy. It never gets old.
Despacio, niños.
Did you do that? Did you do that? David Jones. Did you eat dinner? Oh, hi.
No, I bet he won't eat it. Yeah. He gets fed. He'll
Really scared. Oh my god, please. Help me. Oh. Stop it. Keep your hands to yourself.
You got your puppy. You got your puppy.
High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have an achoo? Can you speak?
Got good, nothing.
And now he's drinking water. He's so thirsty, look. I know he looks like he wants to bite me, but I'm just saying that he's thirsty.
What are you doing? Protecting the little one?
What's up, buddy? Hey, I don't have any food.
No. 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 Skylar!
Skylar can't breathe. Oh, here. That's all you wanted? You get under there.
Here you go.
All right. You good to go.
Look at that flick of her wrist.
She had too much. Cody.
Sweetie, why you acá?
Oh no, I'm sorry, baby.
Please. It's okay, little boy.
Levi!
Here comes Levi.
Here comes Levi!
Here comes Levi.
Here comes Levi!
Here comes Levi. Oh, good morning. Hey, baby. Oh.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning, Levi!
I'm just gonna scooch it right here from behind.
Come on, bud. Come on, Ralph. Don't jump. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, Ralph. It's okay, buddy. Hey, guys. The cat's in the bag. I got him. Holy cow.
16 years old and dog years. He's so scared just to touch it. Oh my god.
You want to?
Oh my goodness. Are you crazy? Have you lost it? What do you think you're doing? Of all the places you could do that.
I broke down today at work. A severely matted Pomeranian came in. As easy as it is to be angry at the owner and shame them into making them feel worse, I really appreciated that advice because she did calm me down and I probably would have just gone off. I was that emotional. Just look at him, he's so relieved and it really makes me happy now.
Bring me, baby. Come here. Good girl. Yep, it's good. It's good. Hey, buddy, I'm just coming. It's okay. I'm just coming to help. No worry. I got you. I'm just gonna help you. Okay? Okay. No worries. It's okay. Okay, so you're gonna have to put phone down for this. No worries. You're good. I'm gonna leave you alone, okay? Hey. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Sir, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. Hey. Hey. I got you. Come on. Okay. Okay.
No, I'm just enjoying my food and then this little crazy
Guys.
Yay! Wait, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I hope that's not right. Wait a minute, come here. Come here. Come here. Ready?
sure what's going on here.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, what even is that? Give it to me. Oh! Oh! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Oh! Oh, you get it. Oh, he almost hit it.